explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 1 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is sentences, right? So as we all know that sentences are the group of words that are arranged in a meaningful order so that they can make a complete sense, right? So we all know what sentences are, but to know more about them, let's begin with the chapter and see that what further details we get about sentences. So, first of all, they have explained that a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense, right? कि sentence एक ऐसा group of words है जो कि एक complete sense बनाता है. A sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. कि एक sentence के दो parts होते हैं, subject and the predicate, right? Now, what are these subjects and predicates? Let's read this. So, the subject is what the sentence refers to. तो सब्जेक्ट एक्चुअली वो चीज़ है जिसके बारे में सेंटेंस कुछ कह रहा होता है. इट कैन बी ईदर अ नाउन और अ प्रोनाउन, राइट? ये नाउन भी हो सकता है और साथ ही साथ प्रोनाउन भी हो सकता है. द प्रेडिकेट टेल्स अस अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट. अब ये जो प्रेडिकेट है ये हमें सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बताता है, राइट? कि सब्जेक्ट के बारे में क्या चीज़ कही जा रही है वो कहलाता है हमारा प्रेडिकेट. इट कंटेन्स द एक्शन दैट हैपन्स विद रिगार्ड टू द सब्जेक्ट, राइट? कि उसमें एक्शन भी होता है, यानी कि उसमें वर्ब भी प्रेजेंट होता है जो कि सब्जेक्ट परफॉर्म कर रहा होता है, राइट? So, here we have some examples to get clearer about the subject and the predicate. So, they say, the girls are playing tennis. The sun gives us energy, right? So, in सब sentences में हमें subject अलग बटे हुए हैं और predicate अलग दिए हुए हैं. Now, after that, we have types of sentences, right? So, here we have the types of sentences. Let's read them. So, the very first one is declarative sentences. Now, what are these declarative sentences? Let us know very quickly. So, declarative sentences express an idea or thought in a straight way, right? कि जो डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस हैं ये एक आइडिया और थॉट को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं बिल्कुल सीधे तरीके से, राइट? ये हमें किसी न किसी इंफॉर्मेशन के बारे में बताते हैं. These sentences make only a statement. ये sentences सिर्फ और सिर्फ statement ही बताते हैं, right? Examples, they won the match, right? So इसमें कोई complications नहीं है. This is just a simple statement. इसीलिए हम इसे declarative statement कहते हैं. Next, imperative sentence express command, request, desire और wish, right? तो ये जो imperative sentence है ये हमें command, request और desire या फिर wish वाले जितने भी sentences होते हैं उन सभी को include करता है. So, just like example, we have don't go anywhere, right? After that, the next thing is exclamatory sentences. अब ये exclamatory sentences क्या है? They express strong and sudden feeling of surprise, sorrow, joy, anger, hatred, etc. Right? So, ये जो exclamatory sentences हैं ये express करते हैं strong और sudden feeling of surprise, right? जिसमें हम basically अपनी feelings को express करें, just like happiness, sorrow, joy, anger, hatred, anything, right? Example, oh, that is good, right? Next, coming up to the interrogative sentences. Now, what are these interrogative sentences? They ask someone a question. इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस जो है ये हमसे कुछ ना कुछ क्वेश्चन पुट अप करते हैं, राइट? जस्ट लाइक एग्जाम्पल्स वी हैव, वेयर इज योर बुक, राइट? जहाँ पर भी हम कोई इंफॉर्मेशन मांग रहे हो, हम किसी से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो, वो कहलाते हैं हमारे interrogative sentences. So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you will learn more about the sentences as well as their kinds through this video. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.